This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact device model and current build, because the only way to reverse an update requires a matching factory image. Once verified, back up everything, because this process wipes user data. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock and developer options, and make sure the bootloader can be unlocked for your carrier or region. Connect the phone to your computer with a reliable cable and install fastboot tools. Once ready, reboot into bootloader to begin the downgrade sequence. Now download the official factory image for the target Android version. Using anything else risks bricking the phone. Extract the image on your computer and install platform tools and device drivers. Once fastboot lists your device, boot into bootloader. Flash partitions in the correct order: boot, vendor, system, and then user data, using fastboot flash commands, and after each partition, verify the command returns OK. If the image includes a special script, run it. Otherwise, manually flash, and then run fastboot reboot to restart into the downgraded OS. After reboot, take time to confirm core functions, telephony, Wi-Fi, camera, and restore your backup once satisfied. Do not relock the bootloader until stability is proven. If the device won't boot, enter recovery or bootloader and reflash the full factory image. Often rerunning the image or flashing the stock recovery fixes soft bricks. If fastboot reports mismatched or signed partition errors, make sure you use the exact model image and that OEM unlock was allowed. Repeating the proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.